Before I can replace the sensors, I must switch off the Testo 340 and disconnect it from the mains. To open the instrument cover, I undo the screws. I can then open the clip in the direction of the arrow and remove the service cover. I pull out both hose connections on the left and right of the sensor and remove it. Then I insert the new sensor into the slot and connect the sensor to the hose connections. A slot bridge must be inserted in slots which are not equipped with the sensor. Finally, I put the cover of the sensor compartment back on and close it. After replacing the sensor, another measurement can be carried out straight away without adjusting the sensors again using test gas, because the sensors are factory calibrated.